a free indicator brought to you by Myforex. Today, we'll take a look at the Multi-Timeframe Trend Analysis Indicator, the tool that displays 7 technical indicators on a single chart. You can see which direction the indicators are going at a glance. Some oscillator indicators change colors when they reach a certain high or low, which can help you anticipate trend changes. You can choose to display any of these 7 technical indicators. These indicators specialize in trend analysis. The MA and parabolic SAR can tell you when the last trend change occurred in candlesticks. You can also use the multi-timeframe mode to display multiple timeframes for a single symbol, and the multi-symbol mode, which displays multiple symbols for a single timeframe. They are useful for monitoring trades or watching movements of specific symbols. One last thing, if you set the update frequency too short, the performance of MetaTrader may drop. Please check your PC specs and adjust the update frequency accordingly. That's it for the Multi-Timeframe Trend Analysis Indicator. Please refer to the user manual for more details. We hope that this tool will help you in your daily trades.